Roles and responsibilities of booth level officer on poll process. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know about the appointment and controlling authority of BLOs. Explain BLO's responsibilities in distribution of voter information slips. Cite the procedure of preparation of ASDR list. Underline the BLO's work on poll day and the importance of the booth app. Understand the BLO's functions in voting of absentee voters. Apply and interpret the various orders, guidelines, instructions issued by the Commission. Appointment and controlling authority. Under the Section 13B(2) of RP Act 1950, BLOs are appointed by ERO with prior approval of the DO concerned. Section 13CC of RPA 1950 applies to BLOs also, as they function under the control and supervision of Commission. Responsibility. BLO is responsible for maintaining the updated electoral roll of the assigned part area under the control and supervision of ERO and AERO. Punishment. Punishment for willful default under the Section 32 of RPA 1950 shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 3 months, but which may extend to 2 years, and with fine. Voter information slips. Voter information slips contain elector details, polling station location, date and time of poll on the one side, and a snapshot of polling station along with do's and don'ts on the reverse side. It should be authenticated by ERO BLO before distribution. Voter information slips have to be distributed to the voters by the visiting door to door by the concerned BLOs personally 1 week before the poll day, either to the registered voter or to the adult member of the family. The BLO shall obtain the signature or thumb impression of the person to whom the voter slip is delivered as an acknowledgement. The BLAs of the political parties, candidates' agents may accompany the BLOs during the distribution work. When BLAs or candidates' agents accompany the BLOs, their signature shall also be obtained on the BLO register as a token of having seen the distribution process to the genuine voters. The bulk distribution of the voter slips shall not be done by the BLOs. Accessible voter information slip. Accessible voter information slips with braille features to be distributed among persons with visual impairment of the blind electors over and above normal VIS. Preparation of ASDR list. At the time of distribution of VIS, the BLO will come to know that some voter slips have been left behind with him. It is possible that these voter slips might be of those voters who are absent, shifted, duplicate, or repeated. All undistributed photo voter slips shall be returned by the BLO to the concerned ERO, who shall keep same in the sealed cover under safe custody. No further distribution of voter information slips would be done after the same are returned to the ERO. The BLO will prepare the 2 copies of an alphabetical list of such electors and hand it over to the RO of the respective constituencies. Use of ASDR list. The returning officer will hand over this list to the presiding officer of the respective polling station, and now the presiding officer will act as per the instructions of the Commission. Poll day. On the polling day, BLO should be present outside the polling station with electoral roll for convenience of the voters. PWD electors. BLO will visit the PWD electors and inform them about the facilities available in the polling station. BLO will also motivate these electors to cast the vote on the polling day. Booth app. They will download and install the Booth app. Log in the Booth app using mobile number and OTP. They have to check device mobile compatibility. Scan every voter who come to the polling station. Enter the Q token number at the back of the QR code based photo voter slip. Ensure data sync to server using view status screen. BLO will accompany the sector officers during their visit to the polling station and will provide necessary help. Absentee voters. Absentee voters means a class of persons as may be notified by the Commission. They are the senior citizens above 85 plus years of age, persons with disabilities and flagged in the electoral roll, COVID-19 suspect or affected persons, any other persons as directed by the Commission for postal ballot, and special directions for BLO for providing Form 12D to such electors. BLO will visit to the houses of the concerned electors as provided by the returning officer in the polling station area and deliver Form 12D to the concerned electors. If an elector is not available, they will share the mobile number and revisit to the collect Form 12D within 5 days of the notification. The elector may or may not opt for the postal ballot in the acknowledgement attached with the Form 12D. If the elector opts for postal ballot, then the BLO will collect the filled-in Form 12D from the houses of the elector within 5 days of the notification and deposit it with the returning officer. BLO shall deposit all the acknowledgement forms with the RO along with all Form 12D. Sector officers shall supervise the distribution and collection of Form 12D under the overall supervision of returning officer. In this educational video, we have learned about the roles and responsibilities of BLOs on poll process. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.